Hi, my name is Abby and I am the Outreach Assistant here at the Boone County Public Library with the Outreach Department. My role here with the Outreach program is to get books ready for people that are otherwise homebound, so people that live in retirement facilities, nursing homes, or people that would otherwise just not be able to get out of their homes or their apartments. So we bring the library to people that would otherwise not be able to access the library.
Where are we going?
So we're going to Colonial Heights and Gardens. It's on Hopeful Road.
They're probably really looking forward to it then if they
Oh,
come down
yeah.
and-
We have certain ones here, and when we first started coming back to Colonial after COVID, she leaned over the balcony and she's like, "It's the library ladies!"
I'm sure
A
it
lot of
does.
people really look forward to it, and it's really sweet. It's really cute. Because living in an assisted living facility like this, sometimes people don't have cars, or they just can't get out as much as they wanted to, and they might have come to the library once or twice a week before. When they think about the library, they think of just coming into a physical library, maybe browsing around, maybe going to a story time for their kids. But most of the people that utilize the adult section are the older adults. So if an older adult does not have the capabilities of getting into the library, that's where kind of we come in. You don't think of people that can't get to the library. We like to be there for the people that you might not think about that need our services.